Yeah, it's on air right actually. So it can go, it goes up and down. Yeah. Yeah, I'll definitely air up the nose. I just absolutely love people's reactions of this car when I go through. Super friendly, ask a bunch of questions about the car. It's absolutely amazing. Welcome back to another vlog coming from California. Nick's car showed up here. Absolutely gorgeous. What's up, man? What's up?
What's up, man?
What's your IG?
FindingNick.
And your YouTube is FindingNick as well?
Yeah, everything is FindingNick.
I'll have it linked up in the top right hand corner.
Thank you, bro.
Go check out his channel and his beautiful car. Not only that, another blue M3 showed up, and this thing is absolutely gorgeous as well. Check out this car on like 20-inch HREs. So beautiful. How much power is it putting down?
570 to 580.
Wow.
So good? Yeah.
That's crazy.
Your car could outrun it?
The FRS?
Yeah.
Totally. Totally. So this one here is static, I'm guessing. This one's clearly on bags. Yeah, some pretty dope cars out here today. What do you like better? Red or green?
Red or green?
Or red or blue?
I honestly don't know.
I know, it's so hard.
They're like,
It's so sick.
they're both extremely sick, but they're like two different styles.
True.
I don't know why you
Listen to this goddamn supercharger, guys. I don't know, man. I might have to sell one of the Evos for one of these things.
do it.
Sell the 10 or sell the 8?
I don't know.
Sell the 8 for an M3? Shit. Bobby, my girlfriend, she loves these things, dude. She
You can drive one. You can drive it.
Are you sure?
I'll convince you.
Yeah.
What's
That'd
up?
be dope.
Yeah, dude.
Oh yeah.
You want me to
I
run you?
need to do that shit. Yeah.
Just have a nice
I have
thing.
some in my backpack. You want one?
What
I
is
have
it?
one. It's like a windscreen. I probably need a new one now because it's not like. But I have one. It's just like that, pretty much.
Go in the comment section below. Let me know. What would you guys think if I sold my new build, my Evo 8, and picked up an E92 M3? These things are so sick. Especially like, I don't know. This thing on air, on Forge Stars, there's like 20-inch Forge Stars. Looks so freaking good. I'm so jealous of it. So make sure you go down in the comment section below. Let me know. Evo 8 or E92. Take your pick. Are you gonna supercharge yours, bro?
I want to.
Yeah?
Hopefully soon.
Should, man. What does the supercharger run?
Probably like 6,000, 8,000.
Yeah.
Somewhere around there. Quite a lot.
Yeah.
I haven't done it yet.
Yeah, it is expensive. I mean, there's plenty of enough power stock.
Yeah.
Actually. The master at work. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. My dude Nick over here has a fantastic idea. Nick, what are we doing?
I think we're gonna mount this bike on your roof. It's gonna be sick.
That will be sick, dude.
I freaking.
Where's the other wheel at?
I know how to put a bike together. So it goes on and the front wheel's off. I'll show you how to do it.
Oh, what should we?
It's pretty cool.
I'm guessing you ride a lot?
I used to back in high school. I used to ride BMX. But...
Can't even put it back together. Shit.
How did I do this? I just the chain on messed
Oh,
up.
what the fuck?
Hold up. I think the chain's like.
Let's do it, man.
You wanna try it?
Let's do it.
Alright, I don't know how we should mount it. So this is the front one, and we have like a little back one for the rear tire.
Yeah.
It might look sick, actually. Like
The back wheel kind of sitting down. Yeah, let's do that.
maybe.
Just wherever. I don't care, bro.
You think we could do it in the middle?
We could try.
Like try to.
I could take that antenna off. If it will that be in the way?
I don't know.
I can just unscrew it. I should just keep it on there.
Dude.
Just roll with it. Damn. All right, so we got the bike up on the roof, just chilling up there. Not chilling, but suction cupped on how it should be. We're actually gonna take some roller photos of my car and both of these M3s behind me. So this will be a damn good time. It looks absolutely wild. Like, it's so funny looking up there. God damn, what's up? How do you feel about this shit, Nick?
You're going in trouble, bro.
You think so?
I don't know.
Just for taking photos? No. Finally, we meet some cool security dudes. We're gonna go do rollers. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's get it.
And then race. Me and you.
Yeah, let's do it, dude. Bike could probably fall off. Hey, it'd be a good YouTube video. Damn BMW squad. Feel so out of place right now. What's up, G?
That's the lowest I've ever seen you drive.
Dude, I went low. Holy fuck, dude. Holy shit.
Dude, that looks sick.
That was low.
The internet is ours this week, dude.
Oh, let me get focused.
Look at you.
Oh my god, dude.
Look at you.
I'm just fucking chilling. That is
like
that
out
is
the
fucking
window.
amazing. With the bike and everything.
I gotta see the.
God damn, bro.
Get out real quick. Guys, look at these photos. A little behind the scenes. Oh my goodness. That's hilarious.
You fuck with it?
Bro, the bike, I like that. That's
Bro.
sick, dude.
Are you gonna have the bike on for Stance Wars?
Probably, maybe.
Are you?
I'll probably rock it
Fuck.
tomorrow.
Damn. If you weren't going to, I was gonna see if I could steal it. That'd have been so sick.
Dude, it looks so good.
I know. It's so like unique for FRS. Like
It looks crazy.
no one. Yeah, exactly.
It gets so much looks too.
Yeah. Fuck, dude.
I
If
got-
you don't run it, let me know.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, I'll be so down if that's cool with you.
Or we can do like half of the show. I rock it, half of the show you can rock it.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, just go swap it out real quick. Look at.
People are like, what?
Yeah. All right, what are we doing?
Let's go pick up my car.
Look how
Okay.
he was hanging out, bro.
Send me that
Yeah, he goes hard.
I'm gonna make one of those ones where it shows, like that'll be the top half.
Yeah.
I'll put the actual
Yeah.
color I
I
got.
think I'll put that as a thumbnail, dude.
Really?
Like with your photo as a thumbnail, then his like there too.
Yeah.
I'll be like,
Make the title of the video like shoot with washes or something. So if
Yeah.
people search my name, your video.
hanging out the window at 50 miles per hour to
No.
get the shot.
100 miles an hour, bro.
Hang out the car. There's no window.
To get the shot, bro. That's all I'm putting.
Yeah.
That'll be sick.
All right, bro. What's your YouTube?
Watch this video.
YouTube.
FindingNick.
FindingNick. YouTube.
I love your
Sterling Isaac, 63.
Wait, you actually got a good YouTube?
I do.
Yeah.
One video.
Yeah.
I thought it was dumb at first, but it's kind of
I like
cool. Look at the lip.
Yeah.
If it was like a rock or something,
Yeah,
we
bro.
would have definitely hit it.
Yeah.
Yeah, good fit.
Yeah, that was pretty low, dude. Oh yeah, that's clean. Never mind.
That was blurry.
I was
Dig
pretty
it.
low. Bro, that's
Bro,
crazy.
This
yeah.
kid is amazing at photos. Look at these
I'm so
things.
excited. Oh,
From that wheel one.
welcome to the party.
Yeah. Hi to this
I
dude.
know. Watch this video on YouTube, Instagram, everything.
Yeah.
We're doing like
I think-
60 miles per hour at one point.
When I was doing yours, I could feel the heat off the ground
Off the
on
ground?
like right here. I was like this and I moved like that and I could feel the ground like
oh my
that
goodness,
close to my
dude.
hand.
You're crazy. Oh, I was gonna say, you have no strap either?
Oh yeah.
I was gonna
That'd
say,
be
you're crazy.
What do you think of the bike, bro?
Man, looks sweet, man.
Does it?
Yeah,
You better
dude,
take that off and pull some tricks.
Yeah, facts. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Yay or nay on the bike? I think it is different. It looks sick, though. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of the setup, though. What do you think? What do you think? New mod for the FRS. Next thing we're gonna go do is the little canyon run for the night, and then we're gonna go to dinner. I'm gonna film this canyon run on my GoPro on the head mount, so it should be pretty interesting. I know. What? I am currently getting pulled over in my FRS. What the fuck is this all about?
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Good. My name is my police department. What's
Okay.
your vehicle?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, reason why I'm stopping you is because you're modified exhaust, man. And you got, okay, that's just your thing.
Oh, someone just...
It's from the car meet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is.
So you're coming from Foothill right now, from over at the car meet?
Yeah, I was over there. I'm actually from Washington State. So.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. So what brings you down in this area?
There's actually a car show on Saturday I'm attending up in San Granita Park or something, Stansworth.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on it?
I do, yeah.
What part of Washington are you from?
Spokane, or Deer Park.
Spokane?
Yep.
Okay. So where's the car show at?
I'll have to look it up on my phone. It's San Clarita Park, I think it's called.
Okay, so what brings you down to California?
It's a car show on Saturday.
Okay.
It's like a huge car show. They have it in Seattle, they have it in Vegas, they have it.
And where's it at again? I'm just curious. You're not in any trouble, man. I'm just talking.
Santa Clarita Park, I think it's called.
Okay, Santa Clarita Park.
Yeah.
All right, and then where are you staying at right now?
In Orange.
You're staying in Orange.
Yeah.
All right, man. Anything to drink or anything like that tonight?
No, definitely not.
No, nothing. All right, I'm just gonna check your eyes out really quick. Okay. Do me a favor. You're gonna stay inside the car. Is it in park?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Unbuckle your seatbelt and turn your body and face me, and just put your hands right here.
Okay.
And stick your head out the window as best you can. Okay. All right. You see this light right here?
Yeah.
I want you to follow this light with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. Okay. Do you quick question, man. Do you take any prescription medications?
Nope, I don't.
Nothing like that?
Nope.
All right. Hang tight real quick for me, okay?
Okay. What the fuck? This is strange. Does he think I'm drunk or what? Hopefully you guys can see me fine. This is funny.
Okay, do me a favor, man. So I'm gonna have you kind of just not get out of the car, but I'm gonna have you kind of just hang your feet out and just so I can get a better look, man, because your eyes are doing a little bit something funky, and I just want to make sure that I'm seeing it right.
Yeah.
All right. So you see this light right here on the tip? Oh, sorry. You okay?
No, yeah.
You all right? You good?
All right.
See this light at the tip of my finger?
Yep.
I want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
All right, man. Here's your thing back.
Thank you.
You don't live in this state, so I really don't care. But the reason why we're all around is because this particular city, you were in a different city, which borders our city.
Okay.
And this particular city, we the car clubs usually do a lot of damage.
I've seen some shit on Facebook and
Yeah.
YouTube. So
I'm not saying it's exactly this. I know the guy who runs this car club, he's not all about that, but one guy can't control everybody. You know,
Definitely.
people get together and they start doing a lot of vandalism to our city, so
Definitely.
we're just doing a lot of enforcement on them. So
Makes sense.
I'm gonna let you go because you don't even live here, man.
Yeah.
Enjoy your time in California, man, and
Appreciate it.
Stay safe, okay?
Will do, man. Thank
right.
you. Have a good night.
You too.
Maybe I won't move to California. What the fuck? Damn, he's up here getting another guy. Holy shit, they go hard in freaking this town. As you guys saw, I got pulled over on the way home. He initially pulled me over for exhaust, and then he thought I was drunk. He tested me like 2 or 3 times, thinking that I was drunk, but of course I wasn't drinking. So it's insane how strict and how much they're cracking down on modified cars out here in California. Absolutely freaking wild. So you guys better calm the fuck down so I can move out here and have a good time with you guys. Anyways, that's been the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go down below, smash that thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.